Hello, hello. This is Nate, aka Tango. I want to talk a little bit about the Call Santa project that I have built here. First off, I want to go ahead and talk a little bit about the story. We have the story started off with me meeting my friend Matt O'Brien here in my Columbia AI class. So, anyways, I met this guy Matt, and he has worked in entertainment, and he thought, hey, it would be really cool to make an interactive experience, especially something that would be seasonal and very current. And he came up to me and said, hey, let's go ahead and do this for Santa for the holidays. So anyways, he found this tutorial.
Yo, what is up, you?
The initials GPT stand for Generative Pre-trained Transformer.
He found
so that
this
first word
tutorial.
Is straightforward enough. These are bots that generate new text. Pre-trained refers to how the model went through a process of learning from a massive amount of data, and the prefix insinuates that there's more room to fine-tune it.
If you are in the AI space, you're probably wondering what the hell is Q-Star. This is probably
I think this is probably it.
For the past 2 weeks, I did a lot of research, talked to a few engineers from Grok, and also hands-on developing some real-time large language model application with the speed of Grok. So I want to share this learnings and give you and show you it.
This tutorial, which introduced us to Vappy, which allows you to easily build voice AI agents. So starting from there, we kind of knew, hey, let's go ahead and sell some phone calls with Santa. So after that, what we did was I went ahead and I pulled a base project from this developer, and I think maybe so this is I found this guy's developer site, and it had basically all the stuff that I thought we would need for the most part to create a Next.js site for people to purchase these call credits to talk to Santa. And anyways, the one thing that this site did very well, but was kind of poorly made for our use case, was it actually was built to use Stripe subscriptions. And we actually didn't need Stripe subscriptions. We needed to Stripe credits. Credits rather that instead of having a subscription to talk to Santa, which didn't make much sense because it's so seasonal, we just thought it would be better to have credits. So anyways, what I did is I created a product in Stripe. And after creating a product in Stripe, I created a price ID in Stripe. And then I related a price ID to a specific amount of credits. So anyways, kind of cloning this project allowed me to kind of bootstrap making this website very quickly. And anyways, it's a Next.js. It uses Supabase and Prisma. And so anyways, I have all these models that I have made for this app, and that I have in the database. So anyways, let's just go ahead and check out the site that I made. So I bought this URL, Call Santa, and I see that the call count is going up slowly. And I made this seasonal kind of UI here. It's got some snow with Three.js. I found some stuff on CodePen that I basically ripped and put on here, and we've got a kind of a buckle that looks like a Santa Claus belt. And anyways, have the basic stuff here, our socials and terms and privacy. and we bootstrapped making this very quickly, which was cool. And I went ahead and I put all the assets on a Google bucket. That way we are not having to pay as much for Vercel. So I think you get 1 terabyte free of data being sent on Vercel. So yeah, we went ahead and I made this site in about 3 weeks. So yeah, had to go ahead and change the checkout flow to instead go ahead and not be a subscription, but be a singular purchase for a call pack. So anyways, a lot of this site is really holiday themed pretty well, I think. We put all the information for the user so I can go ahead and see my transactions. Okay, I see that it completed. I can see how many credits I have. I have 3 credits still, and it tells me, and if I go ahead and click this, it wants me to call them. And yeah, that's kind of the basic stuff here. Some other things that I can just show are, we have our VAPI dashboard. So what's cool about VAPI is you can get a lot of call information. This is good and bad at the same time. We can see now what things are looking like. We're not experiencing any growth because we have not been able to get these ads out, and we want to market a little bit better. So that's kind of why I'm making this video. But you can see all the different calls. So I can see all the calls here. And I can learn a little bit about all these calls. So some of the calls have transcripts. Not all of them, though, because I think we turned them off for privacy reasons. So anyways, connecting this was pretty easy, and then we connected it to Twilio for a Twilio phone number. But let me go ahead and give an overview of what the experience is like. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my dashing board, and I'm going to go ahead and call Santa. Oh. So I'm calling.
Ho, 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 this is Santa Claus. Who is this?
This is Nate. How are you doing, Santa?
Ho, ho, ho. It's wonderful to hear from you, Nate. I'm doing splendidly, thank you. The elves and I are busy getting everything ready for Christmas.
Okay. How?
Ho, ho, ho! That sounds like...
How is the process of getting everything ready for Christmas going?
Oh, it's going just wonderfully, Nate. The elves are working hard in the workshop, making toys and wrapping gifts. We've been checking the naughty and nice list, too, to make sure everyone gets what they deserve.
Okay, am I on the naughty or the nice list?
Well, Nate, I always hope to put every child on the nice list. Have you been...
Hey, Santa, I'm 30 years old, though.
Oh, my goodness, Nate, how wonderful. A big boy like you. It's never too late to keep that Christmas spirit alive. Have you been spreading kindness and joy just like Santa likes to see?
I've been trying to spread kindness and joy with Google ads, but I'm currently getting blocked by Google. I think we're live on TikTok so far, but we're still waiting on some more traffic here.
Ho, 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 ho! It sounds like you're really putting in the effort to spread some holiday cheer, Nate. Even if you're facing a few bumps along the way, remember that kindness and joy can shine through in many ways. Keep being creative and don't get discouraged.
Hey Santa, how's Miss Claus doing? I heard you guys were having some marriage troubles. Are things going okay between you and Miss Claus?
Well, it's always a busy time here at the North Pole, but Mrs. Claus and I are doing just fine. Thank you for asking. We work together to make sure Christmas is magical for everyone. It's all about teamwork and love. Now tell me, Nate, what are you hoping for this Christmas?
Well, I'm hoping for, some more conversions on my site. I think it would be nice if more people called Santa.
That sounds like a wonderful goal, Nate. Spreading the joy of Christmas and bringing more people together is always a good thing.
I think so. Hey, Santa, I'm going to go. Call me if you need anything, okay?
Oh, well, Nate. Thank you, Nate. That's very kind of you. Remember, I'm always here in spirit, spreading joy and cheer. Be good and have a very Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. Goodbye.
Bye. So that's a call with Santa. And I can then go into my my dashboard, and I should pretty quickly have a log of this call. So I'm going to go to calls. I'm going to refresh this. I think I probably will get the webhook pretty soon. But let's go into calls. Okay. And let's see what we got here. Okay, so this was... Oh. I can see still... This one is the one that just happened. Cool. 19 cents. Nice. 15 cents a minute. Okay. So anyways, that is a call with Santa here. Pretty easy to build, and you can make a lot of custom experiences doing all that. So I'll post more in depth about this as time goes on.